Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Online. Today we are going to learn about how to make passive income with ChatGPT. So first of all, we need to understand like what is ChatGPT and why it's getting trendy and why people getting know about this like nowadays. So maybe you have seen this on Instagram or YouTube because it's very getting trendy nowadays, but people don't know how to like what it is and how to get access to it. So as you can see over here, this is a website for openai.com, and whatever you are going to ask this AI, because this is an AI obviously, and if you ask anything related to anything, and even though if you don't have any work experience or don't have any professionalism related to it, you can get the answers very quickly by an AI, because it will help you out very quickly. So if you search openai.com, you will end up over here, and if you scroll down, you can see that ChatGPT is over here. But first of all, obviously you need to log in, and once you click on this, you will end up on login page, and you can just log in with an individual email, or you can just go with you know your Google account. So it's very easy and it's free. So on top of it, you can just easily get access to anything, and it's free. So which is, like, in my opinion, people should take advantage of it. Why not? Because obviously some of us, we don't have any profession related to, like, if I, like me, like myself, I don't know how to make a website, I don't know how to write a blog or articles. But if I get the help from somewhere, I can do that, right? So once you end up over here and click on ChatGPT, you will end up here. So here you are going to enter every single thing. So this is what ChatGPT looks like. So what is actually ChatGPT? So obviously ChatGPT is a variant of GPT. So like generative pre-trained transformer, if you don't know, and it has been developed by OpenAI, and it is deep learning model that uses unsupervised learning to be like to pre-train a large neural network on a massive data set of text data such as books, articles, and websites. The pre-training allows to model to train the patterns and structures of natural language, which enables it like to generate human-like text when given a prompt. So if you give a prompt from over here, it will generate human-like text. So in my opinion, it's one of the best way to communicate with your AI. You can just communicate as a human, and it will provide you as a human, even though it's an AI. So one of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate natural and coherent text based on a given context. So you need to give best information over here, otherwise it won't give you the outcome you want. This makes it well suited for tasks, such as language translation, question answering, and text completion, all those stuff. It can also be fine-tuned on specific task domains such as customer service, chatbots, or language summarization. So in addition, like ChatGPT can be used wide range of languages and base tasks such as text generation, text classification, text summarization, text to speech, and speech to text. It's a powerful tool for researchers and developers to work on various NLP applications. So let's talk about how you can make passive income, right? Everything we know about ChatGPT, from now on. So what you can do? So let's just suppose you have your Fiverr account or you have Upwork account. So I'm just here on Fiverr just to like give you an idea like how you can get your passive income. Let's just say you have your you get the idea of copywriting, and you think that you can create a copywriting blog or articles, everything you need to know. But unfortunately you haven't learned anything related to it, and you don't have any profession to it. So how you can do that? So let's suppose you reached out your client and you asked him that I can create a blog for a baseball and baseball game. So do you want me to do that? And if it says yes, so what you can do, you can just go on new chat open AI and ask it, write a blog on baseball. So if I only write this, you can see baseball is one of the like America's favorite pastimes and for a good reason. And it keeps on writing that blog because this is a blog, right? And you can see everything is 100% unique, nothing going to be copied from anywhere, because it's telling you as a human, not as an AI. If it's an AI, it might get some, no, can like get copy or paste from somewhere, but right now it's telling you everything related to as human. So you can see that it's very easy. You don't need to go ahead and search and looking for different articles for like to write a blog on baseball. You can see it's done, it's already done. And let's just say uh, I want more, right? So what are you gonna do? Make it longer. So if you write this, it will start again from the top and it will enter more details to it. And in my opinion, if AI doing this all work, why do you need to go ahead and need to learn those skills and professional once you can do that over here? Because obviously AI would take over eventually and all those stuff, but make an advantage of it. We need to make an advantage of it. And let's just say it's keep on writing and you get the idea, like you can just get to any client and tell them like, I can do that for you, I can write articles and blog for you. And you can see over here it's done. So let's keep on writing because I just asked it like make it longer. So let's just say you get the offer for web development and front end, and you see that you don't know how to create those website or front end. So what you can do, you can just go over here, even though you don't know how to make, and just keep on writing. I'm just gonna make it stop, and I'm just gonna ask, write a coding for front end website. So if I write this, I'm sorry, but I can write a code for front end, and you can see that. However, I can give you an example of basic HTML and CSS, JavaScript. I don't know how to write those things, so I just wrote it by myself. So it's creating for you like a JavaScript, a HTML script for right now, and you can easily just copy that and paste that to your website, because this is a front end website and it's very easy. You can just ask anything over here. Right now it's not that trendy in my opinion, ChatGPT, and you can take any advantage from of it. So right now I just give you two example over here, like a blog. As you can see, blog can be very good over here, and the next thing is coding. And maybe in future you will ask like you will be searching for anything like on Upwork or Fiverr, like some people need like an article related to that. You can just come over here and enter those details over there and ask an AI, and it will help you out. So what else do you need? And in my opinion, it's one of the best way to get, even though if you don't know how to do by yourself or professionalism, you know you don't know anything, but you can get all those details very accurately. So I hope you get the idea like how you can make your passive income from ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please comment down below if you have any queries related to this video, any questions. We would love to help you out, and thank you so much for watching this video again. Bye bye, take care, leave a like and subscribe.